So, welcome back, guys, with another trade recap. Now we have the webcam. Um, and yeah, let's do this recap. This was a tiny loss. It was a minus 0.35%. Nothing too crazy. And I'm going to explain why I managed the stops to here. And yeah, let's go right into it. This is actually the first loss on the challenge. So we managed to have three take profits in a row, which managed us to pass the phase one. And now, first trade of phase two, we actually start with a little loss, but as long as it's not one full stop loss, we're okay. This is nothing too crazy. So yeah, let's see how this trade uh, played out. So on the daily, I was bearish, so this is the candle we're talking about. And why was I bearish? A lot of people would look at this and say, "Oh yeah, you were bearish, but the market was already too overextended." And I don't really like to say that because imagine that I start being short from this candle, meaning I take a short here, 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 here. Like I don't at this point, I'm already positive. I will take shorts because the market can just keep doing this. It can happen. Like this candle can close bearish, and the next, and if I take this, and let's say I win all of this, and then the market reverses, I will lose in one day. But the profit I made on all of this would actually make up for that tiny loss. So the thing is, I like to actually keep shorting or longing until I'm proven wrong. And here, I was yet not proven wrong. So for me, again, I my objective was to short today. And why? Because I had a target. Now, of course, I'm not a maniac, so I'm not going to short forever. If like price reaches this level or something, I'll probably wait to see if price wants to range, to pull back, or to even continue, and only then I will see what I do. But we still had targets. We still had this target, and that's why I didn't trade a GU because GU already tapped this target, which was order block plus fair value gap. And yes, we could go to this fair value gap, but as you can see, even if you look at this point, you can see that EU is much more bearish, and this is a really important concept. It's pair selection, which I will make a video about it. But looking at the 1 hour, which one is more bearish at the time? Is it GU that it's moving higher, or is it EU that it's kind of moving sideways? So if GU is moving like this and EU is moving like this, shows that GU is more bullish, thus EU is more bearish. So that's why I chose EU, and also because EU had a target. Now, I also looked at the XY, and the XY for me, as you can see yesterday, we didn't took out this high, which was this. So my bias was again bullish. Um, and what I saw was right at London Open, which was here, market moved higher. And I really like when this happens because market opens, moves straight up or down, and this is the manipulation. Like, look what happened after. This just moved lower here, made this market shift. So I really like because we swept. These were actually equal highs, as you can see. And then my entry was here, but it was more based on the 1 hour, which was this. So I entered on this hourly closure. I was at the time. There were left like 2 minutes for the candle to close, and the candle was here, meaning it was below this order block, which was my initial idea. But then market closed above it, and I didn't really like the trade because of that, but I still took it because I believed in the direction, and also because I like the trade overall. But the main thing for me, it was the XY. The XY at that time, when that candle closure happened, this one happened as well, making this shift. And as you can see in the 15 minutes, the same happened. We swept this low slash equal lows, we could say, and then we moved higher. We had this close on the 1 hour here, and I really like that. And for me, it was just obvious that the market from here would just move to the target. And this is why I moved stops, because once this happened, I really like this because I thought to myself, oh, okay, we're moving lower. I don't like it really because if this was the first candle of the 10 a.m. Candle, meaning that this could be manipulation. So it's just power of three, as you know it. Opens, moves lower, moves higher. This is the power of three, basic. So I didn't really like this, and as you can see, it happened. The power of three, so it just moved lower and then moves higher. So yeah, that was kind of a problem, but I still liked it because it was on my take profit. Who wouldn't like the trade to be in quick profits, right, when you open it? So it was just shallow tap. I entered on this small manipulation and it just dumped. I thought to myself, okay, market's going to drop lower and go straight to my TP. Didn't happen. A market was here, and once the market was here, I checked the XY. I saw that the XY had taken out the target, and with that reason, I just put my stop here, based on I think on a 5 minute fair value gap or something. Now above this order block, because for me, break even or a small loss, it's almost the same thing. Almost, again, it's not the same thing, but it's almost the same thing. So I thought to myself, since we're too close to the break even, I will just put it here below, because market could just tap this. You see, this could tap the order block and then quick move lower. So yeah, that's why I actually managed there. And this happened, so I thought to myself, okay, now we probably might move lower, and this stop saved me. But no, actually, it moved higher, and still at this point, even if I held the trade, even if the XY didn't grab the target, I was probably still in this trade. Um, so yeah, and we wouldn't we wouldn't step the stop loss, but it's still like not looking great. I don't know if this is going higher or lower. I have no idea. So yeah, this was a trade. First loss. I guess we learn. Let's see what the next one is for us, and see you on the next one. Peace.